lovely kids. Today we learn action verb in English with pictures. Let's start and say with me. I am drawing a picture. I am drawing a picture. I'm playing. I'm playing. I'm jumping. I'm jumping. I'm watching TV. I'm watching TV. I am mopping the floor. I am mopping the floor. I am writing. I am writing. I am playing a tennis. I am playing a tennis. I am playing a game. I am playing a game. I am skipping. I am skipping. I'm skateboarding. I am skateboarding. I'm eating an ice cream. I am eating an ice cream. I'm going to school. I am going to school. I am eating cookies. I am eating cookies. I am reading a book. I am reading a book. I am riding a bicycle. I am riding a bicycle. I am clapping. I am clapping. I am watching stars. I am watching stars. I am exercising. I am exercising. I'm playing with a kite. I'm playing with a kite. I'm blowing a whistle. I am blowing a whistle. I am drinking juice. I am drinking juice. I am brushing my hair. I am brushing my hair. I am winking my eye. I am winking my eye. I am brushing my teeth. I am brushing my teeth. I am drinking water. I am drinking water. I am eating an apple. I am eating an apple. I am building a blocks. I am building a blocks. I am bathing. I am bathing. I am shopping with my mom. I am shopping with my mom. I am playing with my friends. I am playing with my friends. I am washing my clothes. I am washing my clothes. I am washing my hands. I am washing my hands. I am sliding. I'm sliding. I'm talking to my parents. I'm talking to my parents. I am watching fireworks. I am watching fireworks. I'm eating. I am eating. I am sleepy. I am sleepy. I'm bouncing a ball. I'm bouncing a ball. I am eating pizza. I am eating pizza. I am going. I am going. I am hugging my mom. I am hugging my mom. I am visiting a doctor. I am visiting a doctor. I am riding a scooter. I am riding a scooter. I am playing hide and seek. I am playing hide and seek. I am drawing a car. I am drawing a car. I am making paper plane. I am making paper plane. I am painting. I am painting. I am playing in the rain. I am playing in the rain. Thanks for watching and thank you for supporting me. Like, share and subscribe. Okay, goodbye friends. If you like my videos, so please subscribe my channel for more videos. Bye bye.